Hi, I'm Coach Jamie with ShiftSetGo. We're cooking up another recipe for you today. We're making berry-licious donuts. You're going to need 1 package of blueberry pancake mix, 1 package of the raspberry wafer. The raspberry wafer needs to be crushed up. You can do that in a blender or just crush it up in a bowl. It'll be this kind of consistency when you're done. And then your blueberry pancake mix. You're going to need a teaspoon of baking powder and 1 large egg, and also a 1/4 cup of water. So we're just gonna put all the dry ingredients together in a bigger bowl. So wafer, pancake, baking powder. Give that a little stir. And then you're gonna add your water in and your egg. Mix that up really well. This recipe is going to serve 2. It actually makes 6 donuts. It's going to be 1 SSG meal per serving. And you're getting 1 ounce of protein in there as well with the egg. Once that's well incorporated, you're going to take your little donut pan. I sprayed some with some cooking spray. And you're just going to pour those right in the batter, right around. Just like so. And these are going to go into a 350-degree oven. They're going to bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. They're going to be kind of a light brown color, so you'll know they're done. This is actually the final product. It makes a pretty good portion of 6 donuts. So 3 donuts would be your serving size to have 1 SSG meal. We hope you loved the recipe today. We'd love to know your comments and what you decide you're going to put on your donuts. We have some Walden Farms pancake syrup and some Walden Farms marshmallow dip that we would drizzle over there for a perfect glaze on your donuts. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Take care.